Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Ever since I've started doing my eyebrows at home, I've hardly visited a parlor. So let me quickly show you how I shave my eyebrows at home. So this is the growth I have right now. All you need is a facial razor and a pair of scissors to remove the extras. So I'll start by applying some lotion on the extra growth. I'm using my baby's Cetaphil lotion. So I'll take a facial razor and stretch the skin of my upper lid and start shaving upwards. And this is how I remove the extras from the upper lid. In this method, since you're not removing the hair from the root, it grows back quickly, but this lasts at least 10 days for me. You can see some tiny hair remaining, but I'm not going to remove them with tweezers because the main point of shaving my eyebrows is to avoid pain. So I'll let those be. Now I'm removing the extras from the top. This is a quick method to get your eyebrows done at home. So it takes just 10 minutes to get both of them done. I agree the shape doesn't turn out to be done as it's done professionally, but I'm ready to avoid any pain and get this done at home. Now let me remove the extras from the center. So once that's done, I'll just comb through my eyebrows and remove the extras using a pair of scissors. I have lesser growth at the inner corner of this eyebrow, so I don't touch it usually. So my right eyebrow is done. It's time to do my left eyebrow now. Here I have more growth as compared to the other one. So I'll repeat the same process. I'll start by removing the extras by shaving upwards. And this is a completely straightforward and simple procedure with no pain at all. Only that you need to have a steady hand to shave the extras. So my left eyebrow is also done now. I'll get close to the mirror and remove any extras and then wash my face and be back. So this is the final result. Simple and easy to be done at home. I hope you found this video helpful. If yes, please do like this video, share it with your friends and please subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care and I'll see you in my next video.